In this video, we are going to see how we can install the Google Chrome on a freshly installed Windows. So when you install a fresh copy of Windows, what we do is install Google Chrome for faster browsing. So right now we only have one browser, that is Microsoft Edge. So what we can do is just open up the Microsoft Edge. Right here, google.com. It will ask you for a couple of settings the first time. So you can click on the options accordingly. And after that, just go in here and write Google Chrome. It will show you the official website link, that is www.google.com. Just go in here and click on download Chrome for Windows 11 or 10. Now it might take some time to automatically start the download. If not, you can just click on the download Chrome manually. So let's wait for a moment, and otherwise we can click on download Chrome manually. Now the downloading is started. Let's click on open file, click yes. And now it has started downloading. And once the download is complete, it will automatically start installing the Google Chrome. And that's it. Your browser is installed. Google Chrome is in your default browser, set it as default. Let's click here. Let's close that. And we can find this icon right at the front as a shortcut on the desktop. So all of this is ready. You can just start browsing, just search for anything, and that's how it is done. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.